Hi there, this is Arbaz. Today we are going to unbox this device, that is Samsung Galaxy S25 edition. Then I will give my quick overview as well, as I have used it for 30 days now. This is how the phone looks like. That is all we get in the box. No earphones with this. It has the mic, Type C port and speakers placement at the bottom. When I got the phone, it was Android 10 with Samsung's One UI 2.5. I like that sound. It has this polycarbonate back which doesn't feel like plastic. They have done a really good work there that minimizes the fingerprints and smudges. This is supposed to be having a 6.5-inch screen, and it's a super AMOLED panel with 120 Hz of refresh rate. That is the unique thing about this phone, I would say, about the screen of the phone. These are the pre-installed apps with it. Let us see that the user interface of settings. It had this full One UI 2.5 experience with Android 10. I'm checking the available storage that we get with this phone. So 28.3 GB used from the 128 GB that is I'm seeing right now. So that means the available storage is almost 100 GB with this. Let's take a quick look at the camera. This is the primary camera that we get. This is 12 megapixel lens. The second one is the ultra wide 12 megapixel lens, and the third one is the 8 megapixel, which provides 3x of optical zoom, and it gives us the capacity up to 30x of zooming. These were the indoor samples. We will see some sample shots at the later part as well. It changes from one lens to another flawlessly, even while shooting the videos. Not just the rear cameras, but the front camera also takes videos at 4K Ultra HD with 60 frames per second. And the slow motion video recording can also be done up to full high definition. Apart from the camera, some other important features are the it has Samsung's flagship processor, the Exynos 990 7 nanometer chip. It is the processor which Samsung provides in its 1 lakh above rupees phone as well. A 4500 milliampere hour battery, which will manage to keep it alive for an average user like me, as I don't use phone that much comparatively, of course. It features wireless power share and wireless fast charging as well. It supports 25 watts super fast charging. It got the IP68 rating, which makes it dust and water resistant. It has 128 GB of inbuilt storage, while you can expand it up to 1 terabyte with an SD card. Now basically I am showing you how the Samsung's One UI 3.0 with Android 11 looks and feels like. You will immediately note the difference if you have been using One UI. So the notification panel is transparent now, which feels better. It has all the flagship elements that you can find in any Samsung flagship nowadays, and it has Samsung Dex support and smart view, quick share, nearby share, screen recorder, QR code scanner, etc. in the notification panel itself. You can always customize the layout from here. Now, one of the negative aspects of this device is the peak brightness, which is limited up to 700 nits. It is not bad actually, but at this price, we expect more. From here we can change the refresh rate of the screen. It has this high smoothness option which changes the refresh rate to 120 hertz. Trust me, the camera cannot do justice here. You have to experience it to get the idea of how smooth the screen runs with it. Let's check the stereo sound of Samsung, which makes two speakers working at the same time by activating the Dolby sound. I hope that gave you a notion that how stereo sound works in Samsung. Let's move on to other parts. So now I have changed the controls to navigate so that I can use the full screen to get the most out of it. That is how you can change the controls from here. I'm showing you the controls for navigation right now that I'm using. I like this, jumping from one app to another app in this way just by swiping this way, so it doesn't work vice versa, but somehow this makes the multitasking easier. I'm showing you all the available resolutions sizes can that we can shoot the videos on. So all these are the resolutions that we can take in use. Still, I like the fact that we can shoot a 4K video at 60 fps from the front camera itself. Forgot to mention that it has a 32 megapixel front camera. It has this video stabilization and auto HDR turned on by default. You can of course customize this the way you like it. Now I have also forgot to show the SIM tray at the time of unboxing, so I'm showing the same right now. So it doesn't has the dedicated slot for the SD card. It is the hybrid one. Though I will still be happy with it as many of the flagship phones doesn't offer a storage expansion of any kind. This is how the always display on looks like with Android 11, Samsung's One UI 3.0. I personally liked this feature, the always display on feature with the previous OS. Let's take a look at the fingerprint scanner. How does it work? It is fast but not the fastest. However, I have used many Samsung's mid-range devices and I personally don't feel that much of a speed difference in this. Now I rarely do gaming on phone, though I have downloaded this Asphalt 9 to show the graphics and experience the gaming performance of this device. Graphics and all are too good, all the screen things goes with it. However, I wouldn't recommend this phone if you are planning to play games like Call of Duty, PUBG or any big game like even the Asphalt. It is one of the downsides of this phone. You cannot play more than 30 or 45 minutes because of the heating issues. And if you are planning for a better gaming performance, you should see some other options in this price like OnePlus 8T if you are a person who loves gaming. Now let me show you some another aspects that I think you are going to like about the camera. You can just click and drag the click button to wherever you feel comfortable in screen. I'm shooting two videos back to back here to compare slow motion with super slow motion. I did not set the video quality at its best. So the video that is playing has been shot with 720 pixels resolutions, I guess. Those were the videos with the slow and super slow motion. Now let's move forward with the video and let's do a quick face unlock test. So here it is. These are the options that we get to manage the face unlock. I will just go with the default settings first. That was quick. Now I will try with both my eyes closed. Nope, it did not work. Now one eye closed. Yes, it opens with one eye closed. So face unlock works quite efficiently and did not fail even a single time, though I will still prefer the eye sensor that we used to see on S9. But due to this new design language, they couldn't manage to add anything extra other than the camera, and light sensor as well as the secondary speaker are also hidden subtly on the top part of the phone. Anyway, let's check if a photo of the same person can unlock it or not. So I tried this from every angle possible, but it did not work. It did not unlock. So here a thumbs up to the face unlock. Now lastly, I would also like to show some sample shots, and after that I would show you the capabilities of the video stabilization feature by comparing two of the videos. By seeing the length of the video, it is already more than 20 minutes. Now I will have to end this video, and it wasn't a detailed one. Now I'm not giving any conclusions, and this was just a quick overview about this phone itself. Let me know the video ideas and video demands in the comment section pertaining to this phone. That was all for the video. I am open to constructive criticism and I am not a tech expert, so this video was just a try. I believe numbers would indicate how much do you enjoyed the video. I require your support to grow. Please subscribe the channel even if you have not enjoyed the video.
प्लीज भाई मैं भाई समझ के बोल रहा हूँ दोस्तों.
And thank you so much for watching.